5 Ways to Manifest What You Want. I've spent a lot of time watching YouTube. Any subject I look up, whether best movie trailers of 2021, okay, I'm kidding. Thanks to these YouTube gurus. YouTube.com/@GoshDarnBlog. I've spent a lot of time watching YouTube. Any subject I look up, whether best movie trailers of 2021, okay, I'm kidding. I like to get educated and often I watch self-improvement videos from the likes of Jim Rohn, Mark Cuban, Warren Buffett, and etc., but lately, I've been interested in the idea of manifesting my desires. I saw a YouTube headline from Sadhguru and I had to watch him. Then I watched Jim Carrey because apparently he knows about how to manifest, too. I found 2 more that are good, so if you want to find out who they are and what they are instructing to manifest those things you want, then just keep reading. 1. Sadhguru, he's not sad at all. Sadhguru says you should be simple-minded and have faith like a child. No negative thoughts is the key thing to remove from your brain when you desire something. His idea in this vid is that you must organize your mind to think about what you want or otherwise you will make random things happen, meaning what you don't want, so be clear about what you want and think you will have it. 2. David Goggins, A Bedroom Saga. David Goggins, who wrote the book Can't Hurt Me, basically says he would rather sleep in. He believes in positive self-talk to help him get over his bad habit. For example, he will tell himself get up motherfucker. And then he goes and runs 4 miles instead of lying in bed. David is a great motivator for those of us who are lazy AF, so watch David Goggins over on YouTube where you'll find his perspective to be in the extreme, but could help even the most stubborn person see the light at the end of the bed. 3. Dan Pena, Win Like an Athlete. Dan Pena says affirmations and prayers every night. In this vid he says athletes do this to win Super Bowls, that Andre Agassi did it as a child and Barack Obama told himself he was going to be president at age 19. Dan Pena says affirmations work abso-effing-lutely. Begin the affirmation with I am and the world is yours according to Pena. 4. Jim Carrey, he's not just a comedian. Jim prayed and manifested throughout his life for stuff. He manifested a bicycle when he was young and even put the bike in a scene in Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. Once he wrote a check for $10 million to himself and made it happen in 3 to 5 years. Jim Carrey dares you to ask the universe for what you want. 5. Ed Mylett, Intense Thought. Control your thoughts because the average person has 75,000 thoughts a day and 91% of those thoughts are identical to yesterday and the day before. Lame. So get obsessed about what you want and think about that instead, says Ed Mylett, who wrote Max Out Your Life. In this video he says you need new thoughts and need to create a new you as well. All the successful people he knows are self-aware and watch their thoughts. Mind becomes matter. Watch this vid to figure it all out for yourself. Subscribe to GoshDarnBlog.